Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, about to get my workout in. You know, I like to run every single morning. Well, guess what? I have got this new treadmill. This thing tucks away very easily. You just fold it down and you can hide it underneath your couch or wherever under the bed. This thing is very efficient, and think about it. You can keep it in the house where there's air conditioning. You don't have to be embarrassed in front of other people at the gym. And you can track your calories, and it all ties into a fun app. On top of that, it does have a great remote control. So this thing will go up to 7.5 miles per hour. You can walk, you can jog, you can run, you can adjust the speed. It has a bunch of workouts and routines, and like I said, a fun app that's available in your app store that'll let you track. You can even track your heart rate, your overall calories, a variety of modes, programmable. You can set a timer on it. This thing is fantastic, and it'll tell you exactly how fast you're going. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, something else I want to show you about this. You can see I've already put it into a smaller room in my house because I use it all the time. This is something that I really like. Now, if I want to switch to walking mode, I can put the handrails down. That's super simple. And if I want to store it away, I can fold this down and I can slide it under my bed. It's very easy, and it's got two wheels right here. Now for me, I like to leave it out and I've got a great view, a window here, and do my jogging every single day. Now on top of that, something I gotta mention, which I probably didn't make enough of a big deal about, the fact that this thing comes completely assembled. All you have to do is unfold it and it's good to go, right out of the box. Now, I've done a lot of videos, and sometimes the workout equipment can take a long amount of time to set up. Not this. It literally is that easy to set up. Fold it up, flip the arms down, plug it in, and you're good to go. So this is a fantastic device that works every single time. It can store underneath your bed, it can store underneath your couch, and yeah, this thing is really slim. And from the box, it comes set up. All you have to do is fold it up. All right, folks, again, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I had to show you that little additional part. Now let's continue on with the rest of the video. All right, folks, so I'm going to get an actual workout in while we talk. And stick around for the up-close portion of the video. Now I just practiced a little bit, did a little workout. Now the first thing you're gonna do is attach this. This is a little magnet that holds onto your body, so should you fall off or step off, it automatically stops the device. That is a great safety feature that not every treadmill will have. I'm just gonna stick it to my shirt. You can put it just about anywhere. Now you can adjust the speed. There's a stop button, and like I said, remote control. So with that, there's an LED screen on the ground that will tell me how fast I'm going, how long I've been going for. On this panel, it will show me my caloric information, my heart rate, the overall speed. Now for speed, it has up and down, and it tells me how many steps. I'm gonna step to 4.6 miles an hour, which should be a slow jog. And this is gonna be a great workout for me. Now, you can use these handles if you want for support or get to jogging. Probably look forward when I jog. Now, a nice thing about this is you can potentially just put it in front of your TV, watch some TV. You can put it in your garage. It is mobile, and you can tuck it away, put these arms down, fold it up, and guess what? You're good to go. You can put that underneath the couch, underneath your bed, or fold it up in the garage. Now, as somebody who's run my whole life, I know the benefits of running. In my opinion, there's probably no better way to lose weight and feel great than running. A nice thing about this treadmill is the fact that it has kind of a cushioned step. If you are running on concrete, that's bad for your knees. Now, if I was to step off, trip, or anything, it would trigger this and would stop going. Overall, a Another nice thing is I'm 6'3". I'm 220 pounds. This treadmill is made for bigger people like me. I don't have to worry about overstepping and stepping on the plastic. It allows me to have a long stride, as you can see. All right, folks. Even if you're just walking, it's great exercise. You can get your 10,000 steps in every single day by using a treadmill. One thing I'm considering doing, got one of those standing desks, have my desk in front of this. Get a spot right here, I can put a tablet or my phone, and I can watch that while I jog, walk, or run. If you've got a Kindle, you can absolutely read a book while you do it. All right, folks, the modes are fantastic. The app is available on your app store. It will track all your workouts, all your steps, how many steps you're doing, and everything about it. Probably my favorite aspect of this is that it was easy to set up. Took me less than 10 minutes to get it out of the box, set it up, and start jogging, which is what we're going to show you here in a moment, is the right out of the box aspect. All right, folks. Got about 3.5 minutes worth of jogging in. I'm trying to get 10, but I won't make you watch this part anymore. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. Now, there's a little switch down on the bottom to turn it on and off. That's easy. Now, I did just get this, so the up-close portion of the video is like if you just unboxedit. So the nice thing is it comes pretty much set up. All you have to do is flip this to fold this down, flip these down, and this thing completely is flat in the box, or if you need to slide it underneath your bed or couch to store it. Now, as I'm still learning it, of course, this looks like it's pretty straightforward. Now, right here, you've got a shelf that you can put things like your tablet or your phone, where you can watch TV or do whatever you like to do while you work out. How convenient is that, that I can just have my iPad right up top while I'm jogging or walking? Makes walking a lot more fun when you can do something fun, right? Not that you can't just point this whole thing at your TV, which I may do. Now, it does have a remote control. Boom. Just that easy. Up and down probably for speed, for start and pause. I would assume that's what that is. Again, this portion of the video is when I'm just checking it out. Now it does have a clip. This clip is going to clip onto your clothing. That way if you fall, it's going to stop the entire device. You see how everything just stopped there? You want that as an emergency, and you clip that onto your clothes. It's like a little magnet. That's really smart. As soon as the magnet's on, it's good to go. All right, now a straightforward LED screen, and you can even see, I'll show you, the floor tells you your miles per hour. It's going 0 right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up here, and let's press start. Gives a little countdown, and in real life, this LED screen is much brighter. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Now I'm standing on the side just to give you an idea, but it's going that's distance. And speed, for all intents and purposes, is 0.6. So you can speed up. You can really get this thing moving. I would be sprinting on here. I'm standing to the side of it technically. But this thing goes fast. 7.5 miles an hour is a dead sprint for most of us. And then you can bring it back down if you want to leisurely walk. It'll show you your speed, your distance, and how many steps. And it knows that I haven't taken any steps. There's no cheating, right? 4 steps. That's great. The thing is smart. It tells you how many calories you burned, your heart rate, if you're holding on to the sensors, and everything in between. Has a timer, and this is straightforward. Now this also, for all intents and purposes, I have to show you, has the Fit Show app. and the app is going to allow us to track our workouts, change our workouts. There's a bunch of programmable modes, like the 30-minute timer. There's different setups that you can do for different types of workouts, and tie it straight into your app and track your exercise. So folks, this is a fantastic device. I'm really excited to really test it out and tell you all about it, which we'll have already done in the beginning of the video. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. This is a fantastic device for really getting a good workout and making sure that you feel fit, fantastic, and fun. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. And yeah, if you are trying to get fit, trying to stay fit, there's nothing healthier, nothing better than adding a little bit of walking, running, or jogging to your routine. All right, folks, thanks again for watching, and go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.